Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using some of these terracotta pots, tumbling tower blocks, and stickers from Dollar Tree. I started by making sets of the tumbling blocks. I'm going to make 3 tiers of them, and I kept adding to them because I didn't know how many I was going to need. So I started with a set and glued them all together and then added some more. So I ended up with the bottom row, the larger one, with 20 tumbling tower blocks. The second row had 12, and the third row in the top row had 5. And to glue them together, I just use Gorilla wood glue and let them sit for about an hour. And I took 5 of these terracotta pots from Dollar Tree. They're the smaller ones. They come in sets of 3. And I needed 5 of them, so you'll need 2 sets. I painted them with Snow White chalk paint by Waverly, giving them 2 coats. I then moved on to the tumbling tower blocks again, and I took the middle set, the set of 12, and glued those with wood glue to the set of 20, just getting them as centered as possible. And then the set of 5 I glued on top of the set of 12, again centering that. I went back to my terracotta pots, and I took this ink chalk paint by Waverly, and I used a round sponge brush, and I kind of got minimal paint on the bottom of that brush and just ran it along the top rim of the terracotta pots just to give the top of them that black line. I took the ink chalk paint again and painted the tumbling tower block little tray. Next, I took Mod Podge and applied a layer of that to the bottom section of the terracotta pots. I did one at a time, and once I had the bottom of it covered in the Mod Podge, I took 1 sticker per little clay pot. So I'm spelling out bloom. I added the B first onto the wet Mod Podge, and then added some of the Mod Podge to cover the sticker as well. Used my heating tool to dry it and just kept pressing that down occasionally to make sure it was set into place. And then I did the same thing with the rest of the letters. And after I had them all placed down and applied with the Mod Podge, I also applied Mod Podge to the top rim of the terracotta pots just so they had the same texture. So that is it for this. I'm just showing you kind of how I set it up. Each one is on a different little step on the little tray I made from the tumbling blocks. You just fill each of those. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.